Hey everybody, this is Carrick with Crazy Gaming, and we are back playing some more Ratchet and Clank. In the last episode, we started on Cork's HQ, and now we are going to be finishing it. So, let's see. Blow up everything. Shoot the things, do the things. Alright, cool. Captain Cork statue. Can I break it? No. Damn it. Alrighty. Yeah, so, how you guys been doing? Me, I've just been working. Working for getting ready for college. And, yep, so, ain't much to say. Just little by little, doing whatever I can. Yeah. So let's break these boxes and let's go up this ladder. I don't really know what much to say. Dang, this is a long ladder. Alright, so. Ready? This is a place for the Hydra displacer for some reason. Never really thought that was very useful of a gadget, but we can get down here and destroy this shark thing because it's kind of out of its area right now. Let's break all these. So see what we can do with them. So, work is fun. I don't think I explained what I do. I work in a retro video game store, and it's pretty fun. The nostalgia factor is a big reason people come into the store, and I can't blame them whenever I'm in that store. Even when I'm working, it takes a lot to not go full fanboy all the time at work. But yeah. I'm gonna just go down here, kill these things, kill this thing before it fills back up. Because those things will kill you in the water. Like, they suck in the water. Okay, let's fill it all back up. Make our way over to here, and let's displace this water as well. So just making our way through it. A few questions you might have that I will probably answer. First off, my Ratchet and Clank and Jak and Daxter playthroughs. Yes, I will be doing all the sequels. Not for Jak and Daxter. I'm just going to do the original trilogy. Ratchet and Clank, I'm going to be doing most of the games. There will be a few exceptions to that, but I will try to do as many as I can. But yeah, so but they will not be in consecutive order. Like, it will not go right after this game into the next one. I want to do them at a later time, so that way I can kind of see it like as I progressed when it comes to Let's Playing, if you kind of get what I'm saying. Like, to kind of see, oh man, that's blue. Just to kind of see, like, this is how far I've come. Just kind of see my journey. And plus, I like those games a lot more, and I feel like they should be given a better what's the word I'm looking for? A better version of video making, if you kind of get what I'm saying. But anyway, let's get down here and kill all these guys. Here, you know what? I'm gonna kill you all with fire. Fight, fight, fight. Oh, beats and butthead. Alright, so there we go. We have cleared out all of these guys. Now we can hop back up here, use our hydro display here, and move on. The power supreme. 1, 2, 3. And where are we opening up? We are opening up over here. Alright, so we need to take away the water again. These puzzles can get a little bit tedious after a while, but some of them are really fun, like they really make you think. And I really like that in games, and I feel like it's kind of a lost art. Because now you've got all the games where it's like shoot the things, do the thing, press X to pay respect and stuff like that. But I like the games where it's you've got to really figure it out. Like there's a puzzle in this, and you got to figure it out to move on. That's why I'm a huge fan of the Professor Layton games, and I probably will do a playthrough of that here in the near future. But enough talking, because we actually have our guy right through these doors. So that means we are nearing the end of our course. So let's talk to him.
Well, well, you two continue to surprise me. Step into the ring of heroes, and I will finally give you what you deserve.
Ratchet, this is no time for you to become cautious. We have reached our goal.
I don't know. There's something fishy going on here.
Listen to your little metal friend, Ratchet. Your destiny is mere steps away.
It's just something doesn't seem right.
This is it. Quark is going to help us stop Chairman Drek.
Why, thank you, Clank. You've been most helpful.
Get off of me, you idiot!
I love it when a plan comes together.
What do you mean?
What do you think he means, genius? He's not gonna help us. He's gonna kill us.
You catch on quick. Although there is one problem with your hypothesis. I'm not going to kill you.
You're not?
No. He is.
But why?
But why? It's really not that difficult to decipher. I'm the official spokesman for Drek's new planet. I can't have you two getting in the way of my comeback.
This isn't over, Quark.
No. But it will be soon.
So it turns out Captain Quark was the bad guy. Alright, so we gotta take out this guy. And it's not too hard. Just a very tedious battle. Gotta dodge all of his stuff. Just make sure you keep hitting him. Alright, whenever he puts up the shield, you can't hit it. Yeah, so you gotta lead him to the lava, and that'll get him. So, I'll get some of my ammo back from my blaster, please. God, give me blaster ammo for the love of God. Alright. Move over here. I'm actually going to use some of the bots of Doom on him. Oh, shoot. just stand in one place and just shoot him with the blaster, that usually does the trick. Alright, so, put up another protective shield. So, let's go to another bridge, and let's get it. We can go over here, because we can easily jump back. Alrighty. There we are. So let's head back this way. He set fire to the lava. That's pretty cool. Yeah, why give me Pyroster armor, or Pyroster ammo whenever, like, Pyroster ammo is full? That makes no sense. Oh man, it's not giving me the armor I need. Shoot. Alright. Oh shoot. Yeah, I completely forgot about that attack. He does this attack where he takes away every single piece of your ammo. So yeah, that's fun. So now I have no more of that. Let's see, what other weapons do I have? Taunter, I got the suck cannon. Bomb glove. Let's try it. Let's get some more Pyroster armor, Pyroster ammo, just in case that doesn't work. Get some bomb glove ammo. Alrighty, cool. We got him in his final bridge. Alrighty. Come on. Come on, you stupid son of a gun. Ready? And there we are. Now, if only he gave us a thumbs up. That would have been awesome. But, alright, here we go. We beat Quark's monster. So, we got an infobot over here. Let's see what it says.
I wonder what that infobot is for.
Maybe it can replace you.
We're pinned down! We're pinned down! The ships are hammering our position from the air! That was a little too close! We need support! Now! Actually, I need support. My entire battalion went AWOL and left me to fight this war on my own. If the enemy doesn't kill those guys, I will. I'm not gonna last much longer. Requesting immediate assistance. Over and out.
Those are direct ships destroying that planet. We must help that commando.
Are you serious? That's it. I am out of here. Captain Quark is gonna be sorry he messed with me.
This is not about Captain Quark anymore. There are innocent lives being lost.
Yeah? Well, I'm done with this stupid hero stuff. I got my own agenda now.
Ratchet, this is not like you.
What do you know about me? You've spent this whole time looking for Quark. You don't know anything about me.
I know that you will do the right thing.
Well, right now the thing I want to do is find Quark. How do you start this stupid thing?
Have you forgotten? You need a robotic ignition system. I will start the ship if you agree to help that commando.
So, blackmail is it? Fine. Just shut up and start the ship.
Back so soon?
Oh, you're talking to me.
I'm not in the habit of talking to myself, you buffoon. Did you get rid of them?
Yes. No. Well, I had this plan, and I thought...
You thought? You thought? I do the thinking around here, you slug-brained idiot. I simply needed you to eliminate those two nuisances before they could cause any real trouble. But I wanted to... Do you still want to be the highly paid spokesman for my planet?
Yeah?
Then the next time I send you to do a job, I want results! Now get out of my sight!
So it seems like everything is starting to fall apart. Ratchet and Clank are kind of have a wedge driven between them, and Captain Quark is the bad guy. Well, after this, I think we're going to end the video off as soon as we figure out what this commando wants. Thank you. Yep.
Add attention, you deserting maggot! The next time you soldiers try to go AWOL, I'll shoot you myself!
Look, I just want to...
Zip it, worm! You see those bombers? If you don't get to the turrets and knock those ships out of the sky, this whole planet's gonna be rubble! Meet me at the city entrance!
He needs our help.
Yeah? Why don't you go help him? Into another trap. Well, go on. Go fight some evil.
At least I'm not a coward.
Whatever. As soon as I find Quark, I'm selling you for scrap.
Damn. Alright. So, if you like this part, like, comment, subscribe, whatever you want to do, it's up to you. Thank you guys for watching. Have a good day, and God bless you.